Hello everyone. Today we're going to introduce you to the Coast RV chassis mounted metal battery box. These are not new to the market. These have been supplied on vans in the past, but quite often a little bit smaller than this one. These days, with the need for more and more power to be carried around on your van for off-grid situations, we've developed a larger unit that you can upgrade to, suitable for lithium batteries up to 300 amp hours and sometimes even more. So let's have a look what's in the box. Okay, so here we have the main unit. It has got 4 screws on the front here that will need to be taken out with an Allen key. I've already done that. We can open the box, and inside you'll see we have an adjustable mounting bracket, and there should also be your strap for securing the battery. Okay, so we have a protective plastic film on the front here that can be removed after you've installed the unit. We also have access holes with grommets on both ends for your battery cables. And you may also notice on the front here, we have a textured finish to help protect from rock strikes. Okay, so now when you're installing this unit on your van, you are going to need 3 M8 bolts, nuts and washers. You may already have these if you're replacing an existing unit. Okay, just for reference, you can see here 2 boxes. This is the smaller existing unit that you may already have on your van. This one over this side is the coast to coast larger version that you can upgrade to. Okay, so in this case, our customer has already installed one of our larger battery boxes, but they're now choosing to upgrade to a second one for more off-grid capacity. Now you notice under here, we already have a mounting bracket which was installed on this van during manufacturing. If you don't, we do also sell these brackets separately. All we need to do now is simply lift the box up. You'll notice on the back there is a bracket here which will sit straight over the top of that bracket. All we need to do now is move the unit left and right to pick the most appropriate mounting holes at the back for your M8 bolts, ensuring that we leave enough room in the middle here for the lid to actually fit on and off. Once the nuts and bolts are in place, just use the appropriate size spanners to tighten them up. Prior to installing the battery into the box, you will need to remove this mounting bracket using 10mm socket and spanner. Okay, so here we have our battery. In this case, it's a 300 amp hour Renogy lithium battery. We need to get it into the box. First thing we're going to do is we're going to grab this securing strap and we're going to tuck it up here somewhere out of the way. And that will allow us to now lift the battery into the box. Okay, now we're going to grab the mounting bracket that we removed earlier on. We're going to put it on the front and we're going to secure it loosely. Now before we tighten it up, we can move it forward. We can grab that strap that we tucked away earlier on and we can slide that through the back of the bracket, ready to secure our battery. Now that the strap is in place, we can push this flange backwards to secure the battery and use our 10mm spanner and socket to tighten it up. Okay, so now that we've secured the battery, all you need to do is connect your battery cables through the hole that we showed earlier on to the top of your battery inside. Then we need to get the cover and secure that to the front and put in the 4 supplied Allen key bolts. Okay, and so just like that, we now have a second battery box with a much larger capacity than before. I hope you enjoyed this installation guide. Please make sure you subscribe, and to see our full range, head to coastrv.com.au.